Hello and welcome back, friends. In today's episode, we are going to learn how we can propagate a banana plant. Here you can see a young banana plant has came out of the mother banana plant. Okay, you can see very clearly over here, and you can see there was turmeric planted, and let me pluck it out so that it will be easier for me to do my project. This was the turmeric last year I planted. So I will gently dig out the mud from a young banana plant. I will not disturb its much of the roots. I'm slowly taking off the mud from its base. Now I'm chopping the sucker or the baby plant from the mother plant. You should gently take it out. Okay, new baby plant should be taken when it is at least 3 feet tall during warm season time. That will give you the best result. You can see the good roots and the leaves, and you can see the wounds in the mother plant over here. I'm going to take another baby plant from the mother plant in the same way. Here, the same method, I took another plant. Okay, now we will transplant those baby plants into the pit. So here around 2 feet the pit is dug and it is filled with compost, and now we will transplant that baby plant into the pit, and let's make by making some layer of compost and adding mud in it, and then again adding compost. This will make a good layer of compost. So this compost will help the plant to grow in a good way. This will help the plant to get enough nutrition for its better growth. Similarly, planting the another plant. Okay, so again mixing the compost. So filling it up with the mud, and here the plant is ready for starting its new chapter. Now watering the both of the plants, you should water it thoroughly so that there should not be no air pocket left in the ground. So after a day, I have checked the plants. They are not much disturbed. They are really doing good in here. After 1 month of time, you can see the plant is really healthy and it's growing good. Just you need to remove the weeds off and it will grow on its own. So in 9 to 12 months of time, they start giving flower, and within 2 to 3 months after giving flower, they give fruits like this. And if you cut the main trunk, the new buds, number of new sucker plants will start appearing from its base. So let me show you one of the banana fruit that has seeds inside it, which is very strange. You can see these brown seeds inside banana fruit. They are seeds, but they do not have any capacity to germinate. So only the vegetative propagation of the banana plant is possible. From the seeds, it is not possible to propagate the plants. You can see the beautiful banana fruits in this plant. So friends, if you have any queries, please comment below. I hope you like my video. Please give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you and see you again.